From the state of Karnataka, the state government has allowed zoos to reopen in the current phase of the Unlocking India. The state, however, has brought in several precautionary measures in place to ensure safety there. Limited number of visitors, online ticketing are some of the measures that has been put in place for the people to visit. In fact, this is of course important updates that has come in with regards to zoos that have been reopened. For more on the story, my colleague Neha in fact visited the Bannerghatta Biological Park in Bengaluru. Take a look at this report.
We have now online ticketing only. So people can book online ticketing in order to avoid crowding at one point of time. So we have phased out entire number of within the carrying capacity as per the time slots. Animal enclosures are also, the stand-off barricades are also disinfected. Alternate parking has been marked, and everywhere arrow mark is there to guide them to route. Their thermal temperature is taken, and then they are asked to sanitize their hand, and then they stand in queue maintaining social distancing. Every place is marked, and there are two separate queues for zoo and safari. So we have two kind of tickets here. Combination ticket, only non-AC buses are operating and non-AC jeeps are operating.
SOPs, the standard operating procedures, are excellent. I think they have even exceeded those precautions that are to be taken. I think it is absolutely safe to come. Even in the jeep I was traveling in, there is a partition, so everything is very safe. People can actually come and visit. I can vouch for it. It's absolute. SOPs have been exceeded. That is the level of precaution BNP has taken.
Well, the Karnataka government has permitted zoos to remain open, and being a tourist attraction, there is definitely a cause of concern in terms of ensuring social distancing and all the necessary precautions, but also imperative to remember that families, especially with their little children, are very elated. They're excited to be back, to be able to visit it with no actual tension. I'd like to start by showing you. So, of course, this is the vehicle that all the families are, of course, going to be ferried in. One by one, what we're going to be, seeing is that each vehicle has been allotted to only one family. I'd like to start by showing you the interiors of the vehicle and how well it has, actually been divided. This plastic sheet that, you see over here has been divided and specifically put only around the driver's seat, so that, all of the rest of the family members who are sitting in the vehicle also do not really have a chance of any infection, or, they do not also further go ahead to infect the driver, if at all any chances of that were there. That has been ruled out. Now, also over here at the entrance, in the distances, you can see the ticket counter, and that's where most of the ticketing is being done online. That is what is being promoted. But apart from that, yes, also for the students, in fact, or for the families, in fact, who are actually coming down over here, they're also being permitted to buy the tickets off the counter. This, of course, is the entrance that you can see. There is only, in fact, this would be the non-AC safari is all that would be permitted today, because remember that, these are the guidelines that have been laid down by the MHA in order for zoos to remain open. So, yes, on one hand, the concern, and of course, that is still very prevalent. But on the other hand, the Karnataka government has ensured that all necessary protocol would be put in place. With video journalist Vinay in Bengaluru, this is Neha Hebale for Mirror Now.